So this is how to transfer your investment account from CIBC over to Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is open, go to the bottom and select the third option or the arrows heading in opposite directions. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down to where it says accounts and then select the second option that says transfer account to Wealthsimple and then press on get started. Once you're here, you can find your institution for your investment account. In this case, if I were to scroll down and find CIBC, I can then go ahead and select that option. Once you're here, you can then select where your CIBC investment accounts are held. So there's Investor's Edge or Wood Gundy. There is CIBC Online Banking, or if you're not sure, you can press Not Sure. I would just do Investor's Edge for this example, and then go to the bottom and press Next. So once you're here, you can then sign in through the app for your CIBC account for a faster experience. If you don't want to do that, you can go to the bottom and just type in the information manually. I will do that in this example. Once you're here, you can then select the investment account from CIBC. So there's a bunch of different options right here, most popular, savings, other accounts, etc. For this demonstration, I will just select the TFSA to keep things simple, and then go to the bottom once your account is selected and press on next. Once you're here, you can type in the account number or basically just follow the steps that'll come up. And once you guys follow the steps completely, you will then be able to transfer the account over. So that is how you guys can transfer your investment account from CIBC over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.